Once we've emailed ourselves the file from SA Contacts Lite, we'll come into our Gmail and we'll click on the email. We will then hover over the preview down here in the bottom left and we'll click on Edit with Google Sheets. This will then open it up in a Google Sheets file. We will then go through this file and we will put an X in front of anybody that we wouldn't call for business. Okay? Once that is completed, what we need to do is we need to sort that document by all the X's. All you have to do is click the upper left most value here, and this selects the whole sheet. We will then come over to the data function. We'll click on data and then we'll click on sort range. We'll then make sure that we click data has a header row, and we will use the name column, which that is column A here. We're then going to sort by that, and what we'll notice is now that all our items are in order with this X here. We can just simply hold Shift and use the down arrow, or we can hit Shift Control and the down arrow, and that will highlight the whole list. And all we have to do is simply do a right click and then click Delete rows 2 through 12 in this case, and this will delete those rows for our next step.